Hello friends, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 16th chapter, that is the our shape solid and then visualizing shapes. And already you have in offline classes already you have studied about that what are the different types of solid figures like prism and pyramids and cuboids. Okay, but students, today we are going to discuss about that special types of pyramid. Already in that offline also I have discussed about that pyramid, and today we are going to discuss about that different types of pyramid. Yes, there are various pyramids are there, friends, according to their basis also they are different, and also different pyramids we have to find out. So first of all we will discuss about that one is right pyramid and a regular pyramid and a triangular pyramid, and we will discuss about that quadrilateral pyramids. So according to their basis, that means if their basis is one triangle, then we can say it is a triangular pyramid. If that basis is one quadrilateral, that means four sides are there, then according to their sides, that means if their basis number of sides are there, according to that we can say that triangular. Like that quadrilateral, there means quadrilateral pyramid. Okay, pyramids means it is one vertex, that means all faces are having that common vertex. Okay, all faces are having the common vertex, so that is called as a pyramid. So different types of pyramids, what are the different types of pyramids we will discuss in this video. Okay, so now students, see here I have written that different four pyramids. One is a right pyramid, one is regular pyramid, okay, another one is triangular pyramid, quadrilateral pyramid. These two are even just based on the size about that, and about this is one special, that is the right pyramid. What is the first of all we will discuss about that. What is the right pyramid? If the vertex of the pyramid lie on a perpendicular to its base, I have done that here. Figure that this is called as base. Base having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there, and if the base, whatever that floor, the base and the vertex, if there is one perpendicular, if one line is there like a perpendicular, then such pyramid is called as what? A right pyramid. That means circular to its base, drawn through its center, and a pyramid is called that right pyramid. Otherwise it is also called as oblique pyramid. That means if you suppose one base like that is 5 there, okay, this center point, this is one center point, this is the base, and if there is one vertexity there, if you draw line, if that one line if you draw here like this, if it is perpendicular, totally with this perpendicular, then such pyramid is called as, what is that? If you draw like this, then such it is now perpendicular, so such pyramid is called as a right pyramid. Otherwise we have to, if it is not perpendicular, if not there, then we can say that oblique pyramid. Okay, now we will go for that regular pyramid. If the basis of pyramid a regular figure, if that regular figure means all sides are the basis like a regular hexagon, regular pentagon. So like that, if that bases are regular, that means all sides are equal, then that pyramid is called as a regular pyramid. That means that that is also one like a right pyramid, but if that all sides are here not equal, if you see that here this is very big, this is small, but this here what will happen, like a regular pentagon or a hexagon, that means all sides are should be equal. Okay, and from this point of view, if you draw that it is perpendicular to the vertex, and such polygons, such solid figure or such pyramid is called as what is that? Regular pyramid. Okay, so these are the regular pyramid. Why you should say this is a regular pyramid? Because all bases, the sides, whatever the base all sides are equal. Suppose equilateral triangle we will say, square we will say. Okay, if that square, suppose one pyramid base is one square, what type of pyramid that is? That is one regular pyramid. Quadrilateral pyramid you can say, but first of all we can say it is a regular pyramid, because the sides, whatever the bases are there, that is a regular quadrilateral. So that is due to regular are there, that's why we should say that is one regular pyramid. So now if that BM means V is that here, and M is the side is that slant height like, and that is just like a hypotenuse. How should find out? Om square plus VO square. Om, what is that? Om is the radius from the center to from the center to up to here, and if vertex here is there, if you join here, this is what is that M, this is O, this is V. Vm is equal to this square plus this square root over OM square plus VO square root over. Then we can get Vm. Okay? So because that is one right angle triangle form, that is the formula. And a triangular prism क्या होता है बेटे? Already I have told you, if the base is one triangular form, that means three sides are there. If equilateral triangle, then we can say it is a regular pyramid. But if it is a, sorry, here I have written the prism I have written. This is all are the pyramid, triangular. Okay. So now triangular pyramid क्या होता है? If the base of the pyramid is a triangle, that means if this now observe that A, B, C, that having that one three sides, that is the three bases are the three sides of the triangle that forming, so it is called as a triangular pyramid. Okay, and it is also called as a triangular pyramid. Same like friends, we have to discuss about that what is that quadrilateral pyramid. Quadrilateral pyramid. If the base of a pyramid is the base of, if the base of the pyramid is a quadrilateral, then it is called as a quadrilateral pyramid. That means if you will see that students, you have written that, I think you have this completed. Okay, so now suppose I will say that how that quadrilateral pyramid. Now suppose see quadrilateral means what is that? Four sides should be. Okay, this is one four sides, so it is one quadrilateral. If you will draw that one vertex 2, this is one, and this is one, but this is one dot line we can do equal back side. This is B, A, B, C, and D. If from here to this is O, and if you join here perpendicular line, this is M, and this is M. Okay, now we can find out this is called as a quadrilateral pyramid. It is called as a quadrilateral pyramid. Why you should say it is quadrilateral pyramid? Because quadrilateral means what? Four sides. Quadrilateral means four sides. If it has the four sides, then and then one vertex is there. That's why we are all faces are combined. It is a one common vertex. So that's why it is a pyramid. And why it is a quadrilateral pyramid? Because the bases are the four sides are there. Okay, students. So this whole about the different types of pyramid. And next we will discuss what is the platonic solids. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you.